Let's say you must attend a meeting with your partner in another country. You should calculate and prepare everything for that, right? Like what is the best time to wake up, how long the time will take from your house to the airport, and when your plane landed. You have to calculate those things. Imagine that you don't calculate it very well, you will be late and cannot attend the meeting. It's same as when you build a website. When your tech team will work, and how long your tech team takes to launch the website. You don't want your website to miss the timing you already set, which will mess up your plans. We agree that time estimation is really important for everything. Hi, I'm Chusiang from Blankon Technology Solution. We'll talk about time estimation. Story point. Lots of companies use story points to set time estimation for each task. But what is story point? Atlassian said, story points are units of measure for expressing an estimate of the overall effort required to fully implement a product backlog item or any other piece of work. Teams assign story points relative to work complexity, the amount of work, and risk or uncertainty. Many ways to set the story point like planning poker, t-shirt formula, and many more. But with story points, we agree that we must have really good calculations to decide the point of each story or item. And in the end, there is still big possibility to get delayed or missing the estimation. Instead of story point, Blankon Technology Solutions has its own formula to set the time estimation for each story. We introduce ABO Table. What is ABO Table? ABO Table is a table library that contains time estimation for each function of the feature. We already work on a lot of different functions or features, and because of that, we can create our own time estimation based on our experience. I will give you an example. With our experience, the ABO table will show like this. So the question is, how can we get the time for each function or feature? Correct. So with our experience that with a lot of websites, those features are already covered. And we create a ABO table that we can use for the next client with the features or functions that are already covered. The following question will come like this. How about the function that is new? Blankon Technology Solution haven't worked on that before. So for functions that are not covered yet, we will tell the client that we have to research first about the function that will work. We give win-win solution because we can do research for a special case like that and give the best time estimation to the client so the client can expect that the website doesn't miss the estimation. Add buffer time. Don't forget to add buffer time in each function or item, at least 30%. So when something unexpected happens, we still have time to work on that without ruining the timeline. If everything is already set up, just create the story map of the product and give time estimation to all of the functions. The story point is good, but it's still not enough for us to set the time estimation and decrease the delay time to deliver a product. I hope this video will be useful for you, especially for your agile team. Thank you and see you on another video.